name is Naveen. I am from the Kavali, Andhra Pradesh. I did my graduation in the Sri Chaitanya Degree College in the year of the 2022. Actually, I am from the BSc background in the stream of the mathematics and statistics. As that's it. Actually, as a mathematics student, I am having the knowledge in the mathematics and statistics. So I don't know the what is core Java, all those things. After one of my friend refers the JSpiders Punjagutta, I joined this JSpiders Punjagutta in the 2022 December. And after joining this institute, I have learned the full stack Java, like core Java and advanced Java and web technologies, SQL. These all things are helped me to achieve my dream job. Now I got placed in the Adivas Technologies with the 3 LPA. So thanks to JSpiders Punjagutta team to build my confidence to attend this interview.